Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a brake light on a Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new bulb. Most Santa Fe Sports use a 2057 or 2357 dual filament bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged before you begin any work. This ensures your safety throughout the process. Now let's get started by accessing the light. Begin by opening your vehicle's rear liftgate. Locate the small plastic access panel near the tail light and carefully pry it off using your flathead screwdriver. Next, you will see two screws. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back. It is held by clips, so a firm, steady pull will release it without damage. With the tail light assembly free, it is time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and pulling it apart. Then, twist the bulb holder counterclockwise, about 1/8 of a turn, to remove it from the assembly. To take out the old bulb, push it in and twist it counterclockwise. Now, insert your new dual filament bulb, aligning its pins with the slots, push it in, and twist it clockwise until it is secure. Almost done. Reinstall the bulb holder into the light assembly by twisting it clockwise. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body and push it firmly forward until it snaps into place. Reinstall the two screws you removed earlier, and then snap the plastic access panel back on. Finally, have someone check the brake light to confirm it is working correctly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.